So, business applications. Same way, all of these pages, the little squares are the prompts explaining what I told it to do and how I got the photos. The next 4 pages are actually different ways that you can apply AI to your businesses, whether it's and the apps in which to do it. So whether it's your marketing, whether it's your legal, whether it's your finances, it doesn't matter. There's an AI app that does it. In fact, there's probably several AI apps that does it. And that's literally what the next 4 pages of this are. 3, 4 pages of nothing but different business applications and how you can utilize AI and what platforms address those manners. Like I said before, I'm not going to go over each and every last one of them for you. I was a massage therapist in 2020, like I told you. By 2021, I launched my first app. By this year, I've actually launched my second two. So now I've launched 3 apps in the last 5 years. I do these speeches all the time. I do them when people don't ask me to, because I'm just trying to make people's lives easier. I'm on Facebook helping people because it's honestly a blessing. I do a lot of freelance work through AI. If I had a thought of it, I should have actually through some of the projects that I've done. I do book covers. I do coloring books. I actually have an entire collection of financial literacy youth children's books that I'm working on with a lady. It's great. It's really, really great. And it keeps you from being limited. I love the opportunity to talk with people about tech. And honestly, that's why the screenshots are there. But this is more about mindset change than anything else. This is about opportunity. I had no clue what all was out there and available to me. And I was drowning as a business owner. I was drowning. In each of my businesses, I loved them. When it was massage, I loved it. And to be quite honest, when I got into technology in 2020, Chat GPT and all of this had yet to emerge. So I've only had the blessing of that in my life since like what, November of 2022. November. How's it been? That's like a relationship. I remembered that like it was my boyfriend's birthday. Like that's how much it means to me. And I really feel like we don't have to do this anymore. I would actually like to go to each of these pages slowly just to make sure that people are getting the opportunity to screenshot it and be able to go back and make sure that they are covering each of the sections and so forth. But otherwise, I would love to just talk about the opportunities that you've seen in it or identified, or if there's any questions, I'm thrilled to answer questions. I'm happy to answer questions about specific platforms that I use, or if you want to know if I've ever used them or not, I'm happy to. But I didn't want to go over things, not knowing who I was speaking to and what your specific needs were. More importantly, I just wanted to really like accentuate and really make sure that people are understanding the importance of utilizing these things. And I'm a single mom. I don't have a lot of finances. A lot of these platforms are really, really affordable, if not free. So or at least some version of it is free.